Welcome to another HeartBrand meetup. Today you have all three generations of Beeman here. You have me, Jordan Beeman, Parker, and my dad, Ronald. And today we're going to be cooking HeartBrand stir fry.
It's exciting to be here with all y'all today, and especially cooking with Jordan and Parker.
So for our stir fry, we keep it pretty simple. We start with great HeartBrand beef stir fry. And what's so great about the HeartBrand stir fry, it already comes cut up into slices, and we use sirloin for that. So it's gonna be great, tender, very flavorful beef for your stir fry. And then we also just use basic vegetables. We use onions and bell peppers, just a little bit of fresh garlic, and then soy sauce and teriyaki sauce.
Cooking stir fry, it's always been a family favorite, and we always enjoy doing it together at home. It's a real simple process. Of course, all you got to take is the HeartBrand stir fry meat, which is ready to go. We like to add a little fresh garlic to our product also. When we're cooking, we're going to start adding all of our vegetables, and of course we've got our soy sauce and our teriyaki sauce, which we'll be adding into the mixture as we're cooking.
What's so nice about this stir fry, it's truly a one-pot dish. We start out with the meat, add the vegetables, all in one pot, and you have a great meal within 15 minutes.
15 minutes, and we got the meal ready to go.
Here you go, some for Parker.
Thank you, it looks delicious.
What also is so great about the HeartBrand products is how easy they are to order. All you have to do is go onto the website, heartbrandbeef.com, pick which items you like, and they can be shipped next day air directly to your door. Wow, this is exactly how I remember it.
It is good too.
So good. Thanks for joining us on the HeartBrand meetup. I hope you get some stir fry and can enjoy it soon. Thank you.